The World Wildlife Fund says about a quarter of the world's coral reefs are damaged beyond repair, with another two-thirds under serious threat. That applies to one particularly ancient and unique reef off the coast of Colombia. And activists are blaming the government. CCTV's Michelle Begue reports.
Juan Jose Chavarriaga has been a diver volunteer monitoring Cartagena's coral reefs for the past 20 years.
We are about to dive. Remember, if you see the lionfish, we have to kill it.
Juan Jose is warning of the invasive lionfish that is threatening coral reefs in these waters. But there is a more pressing danger that has brought us to the Varadero Reef. In February, the Colombian government signed an agreement to advance construction plans for a deep-water channel entrance to Cartagena Bay, one that would allow passage of the larger ship traffic expected from an expanded Panama Canal. Conservationists say such a channel poses a huge threat to the coral reefs that thrive here.
This is not only about the damages that can be made by digging the hole, but also the 200 or 500 meters surrounding the area that are impacted by the rise of sediments in that area.
The threatened coral reefs around Varadero and the Draga and Abanico Islands are unique, say scientists. While in the Caribbean, most coral reefs cover around 10 to 20% of coastal areas, this reef still covers 50 to as much as 80% of the ocean floor.
It's a resilient coral reef and recently found with large colonies of about 3 meters in diameter, which means it took 300 years to form. They are unique on a global level because they have resisted local impacts like the movement of small boats and sedimentation from other canals.
With the decline of coral reefs around the world, scientists say it is important to study why and how this ecosystem has survived against the odds.
The government says they want sustainable development and have promised internationally that they will do this. So it will be contradictory if they do this unsustainable development that would allow a mega project to destroy a coral reef that has been conserved naturally.
We reached out to government officials at INVIAS, the national institute in charge of the project, to comment on these concerns. They have yet to respond. For now, it seems, a coral reef that has survived centuries of natural and human pollutants may finally fall to Colombia's plans for development. Michelle Begue, CCTV, Colombia.